Walking in here feels like stepping into a world of perfect rooms. Look at this one, a lovely light wood bookshelf.
I'm worried about the weight. I've got loads of books.
It says it's sturdy. Plus, it looks elegant.
Here's another one. Not as pretty, but more practical.
I don't want the living room to look too plain.
And I don't want my books falling over.
Let's find one that's both strong and nice to look at.
How about this corner one? Saves space and has reinforcements.
The wood feels warm. It's calling me.
The wood's calling you.
It says, "Take me home and organize your stories."
You're getting poetic again.
All right, let's get it.
Here's the flat box. It's a bit heavy. Give me a hand.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Off to the till then.
And after that, a bite in the cafe?
Deal.
Think we can build it without arguing?
With patience, light, and a screwdriver. Yes.
And soft music.
If we mess up, we take it apart and try again.
Like life.
Deep, aren't we?
Always.
It's my first time here. How does this work?
You pick the bread, then the filling, then the veggies and sauce.
Sounds simple, but there are too many options.
Start with bread, wholemeal or white.
Wholemeal, please.
Now the filling, chicken, turkey, tuna, or veggie.
Grilled chicken.
Veggies. What shall we add?
Lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles. Keep it classic.
Fancy a bit of spice?
Just a few jalapenos, not too many.
Sauces. Mustard, mayo, chipotle, barbecue.
Mustard with a touch of chipotle.
Cheese?
Yes, mild cheese, please.
Toasted or not?
Toasted. I like it crispy.
Perfect.
It looks brilliant.
Go on, take the first bite.
Fresh, warm, crunchy. A tiny kick.
Spot on. You've chosen well.
I'll remember my combo. Wholemeal, chicken, classic veg, mustard, chipotle, cheese, toasted.
Excellent. Next time you'll order like a pro.
Or maybe try a new sauce, just for fun.
curiosity and hunger. Best guides in life.
Smells incredible. Nothing beats a pizza straight from the oven.
True, after a long day, it tastes even better.
What did you order?
Half pepperoni, half Hawaiian, so we're both happy.
Perfect. The dream team combo.
We've eaten half already. Still hungry?
Yeah, but I'm saving room for dessert.
Only one slice left.
Go on, you take it.
No, you have it.
We're going to keep saying you.
Ha, let's just split it.
Half and half again.
You know, I like sharing food like this.
Me too. Feels calmer, more connected.
Pizza brings people together.
Absolutely. Next time, stuffed crust.
Deal, but you choose the flavor.
Fair trade. Now, back to work?
Yeah, but with more energy and a smile.
We've been staring at the display for 10 minutes. You can't go on like this.
It's not easy. There must be 30 flavours. I'm paralysed by choice.
Ha, just pick a classic one and be done.
I don't want the usual. I want something new but safe.
That's a bit of a contradiction.
Look at that mint chocolate one. Looks odd.
Odd but popular. I've had it. It's brilliant.
Really? Mint in ice cream sounds like toothpaste.
Try a little spoonful, end the mystery.
Excuse me. Could I try the mint one, please?
Of course, here you go.
Oh, it's actually nice. Refreshing but sweet.
Told you, secret favourite of half the world.
All right then. 1 scoop of mint chocolate chip.
Victory. I'll have vanilla with caramel.
You're so classic.
And you're always overthinking.
Maybe. But it was worth it.
See, life's better when you try something new.
True. Though I still want to taste yours.
Not a chance.
Then I'll just come back tomorrow.
Fine. New day, new flavour.
We came for a backpack, didn't we?
Yes, but look at these scooters. Can you see us on one of those?
Maybe to the corner shop. Come on, backpack aisle.
Here we are, about 20 models.
I want something light but big enough for everything.
This one's got loads of pockets.
Too many. I'd lose things.
This one's waterproof. Good if it rains.
I like that. What color do you fancy?
Navy blue. Practical.
I prefer olive green. Bit more adventurous.
We can get one each.
Ha! Deal. One for the explorer, one for the organizer.
Ooh, should we try those tents?
We said backpack, not full camping kit.
But look, they pop up in 2 seconds.
I know you. 5 minutes and you'll be in a kayak.
No promises.
This one's got a bottle holder. Perfect.
And padded straps. Looks comfy.
Right, sorted. Green backpack it is.
Mission accomplished.
Until you see the rollerblades.
Too late. I already did.
Ha! With you, every shop trip's an adventure.
That's the spirit.
Yes, the adventurous one. On a budget.
This one's lovely. Beige goes with almost anything.
True, but I fancy something brighter. Look at this green one.
Nice, but maybe a bit strong.
I don't want the sofa looking dull.
And I don't want a jungle in the living room.
Ha! Same old story.
Sorry, I overheard that. That green actually goes very well with gray.
Oh, thank you. That's kind of you.
It adds life without being too much. I've got the same one at home.
First-hand review. Perfect.
Let's try it. I'll put it here on the display sofa.
You're right. Changes the whole mood.
See? Just needed a touch of color.
And a bit of unexpected advice.
Glad I walked past at the right time.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure. May your sofa be as cheerful as your chat.
We found the perfect cushion.
Perfect for the sofa.
Let's pay before we change our minds.